it's Marina from Say Something Crafty. I'm here to do another project share with you. This is another patchwork journal, and as I tell you, I will have a link below for this journal as well as a Bohemian theme that I've done. So you can, if you want to do a fabric journal that isn't like this and you want to do like a boho theme, I will have that link below because I do a whole full process of the entire journal, including the inside and how I do everything in there. I will also have linked below is Lori W's channel, so you can check her out because she's the one that first showed me how to make the patches. She did hers much larger, which is great for when you're beginning to learn. So if you're just wanting to start out and you're just trying to learn for the first time, or you don't know what you're doing, that is a great tutorial to follow. Me, I kind of just, I've worked with fabric before, so when I was little, it was all handmade, or not little, gosh, I was 17, and it was all hand sewn stuff. I didn't really apply it with sewing machine because I couldn't afford one. So I never had a sewing machine until now, so it was fun to learn with the sewing machine, and so much faster so much faster and easier with the sewing machine. But you know, there is that really unique look that you get from hand sewn. But check out that tutorial if you're just wanting to start out and figure out the basics, because that is a great place to start. It is a traveler's notebook that she does, and it's really pretty. Plus I'm going to go ahead and link a couple of her fabric journals so you can check them out, because I love her fabric journals. And like I said, I'll have mine linked as well as hers. Her style is very, very beautiful. Like, I love what she does. There's also ones from other crafters. I'm just going to have a numerous amount of fabric journal videos posted below, so you guys can go if you guys want to see different styles, to see different inspirations. Then you can go check those out. But like I said, Lori W was originally the inspiration for me trying these out. So I decided to go with a different type of, I guess you could say theme. Not really a theme. It's all like a bunch of different fabrics and upholsteries and thick, really different. I wanted different textures. I wanted there to be a lot of different textures on here, and to in a way where you could like express yourself, and it would feel for me to express myself, and it would feel like just like everything I want in there, and it looks great. So this is the back, and I have my boho beads on here and my tassels, and I call them my journal jewelry. And I have these little snippets that I cut off of the actual journal from when I was putting it together, and I put that on the tassel. And I will have a link for how to make your own tassels below if you're interested, as well as a link to how to make your own beads if you're interested. There's links for everything down there. Check those out if you want to. I have some vintage laces in here that I got from Sherry. I have some vintage lace or vintage ribbons that I found from Freya. Stop. Some vintage ribbons that I got from Goodwill, and some extra cutoffs from the fabrics I was working with. Just all kinds of really pretty stuff on here, and they are of course removable if the recipient does not want them there. Freya, stop it. This is the inside. Look this up. This is the inside, and I used Woodland Wings printable journal kit from Ephemra's Vintage Garden. So I saw this kit, and I've been feeling like really nature type themed stuff lately too. Like, I just wanted to have like, I haven't seen one with mushrooms in it like this, so this is really cool. So I got that kit and I put it in here, and I'm just gonna do a flip through. And here is another bead, and I was asked, you know, a couple ways that you can use these, and there's one up here, there's one here. You can actually turn this into earrings. If you can, you know, make two of them the same, you can make earrings out of them. I think that'd be gorgeous, super gorgeous. And I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make some jewelry. Some coffee dyed paper. I did some sewing in here. There is a coffee dyed deli paper bag, and I just this is actually a page that you're supposed to fold, but I cut it and I wanted it to be like its own little thing. So some coffee dyed paper, these beautiful mushroom images. I love those. I love them. And this actually comes off. And there, it's my triple pocket, which I show how to make in my Bohemian journal tutorial. And there's a pocket here. I guess it's got 4 pockets. So there's one here, and then one in the middle, and then one in the back. So there's lots of stuff going on with this one. Super cool. And those pages, I think I showed those pages. And then that's the center. And I clipped on one of the tags from the kit, and then I just have some extra pieces of ephemera tucked in here. I did get these guest checks from Irene. Thank you, Irene. And I got this paper from Irene too. I love this stuff. I always put it in my journals. Isn't this pretty? So pretty. And then I went ahead and put the hero, put a sticker back here. It says, "The hero this tale is." And that's the back. So, if you have any questions, let me know. If I didn't cover anything, let me know. If I skipped something or anything like that. There is going to be numerous links below, so check those out and see if, you know, what you're looking for might be down there. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will see you next time. Bye.